So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make money by playing games here on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is go to the bottom left bar and press on the games icon, and then press on get started. Now what it's going to do is redirect you to the internet where it actually shows you a bunch of different games through Swagbucks that you can download, that you can play, and then ultimately earn some money through this. So for example, if I were to scroll down, there's a bunch of different games, but for example, if you wanted to play Monopoly Go, you can go ahead and select a Monopoly Go right here. It'll then bring you to this screen. So right away, you can earn up to 38,936 Swagbucks, and keep in mind as well, every 100 Swagbucks is worth $1 US. So if you were to scroll down and see sort of the goals right here, if you were to install the game and if you were to reach board 19, you can get 2,000 Swagbucks, which of course is $20. If you were to scroll down, right, reach board 5, for example, that'll give you 10 Swagbucks, reach board 12, etc. And you can sort of see, right, if you make a $1.99 purchase, you actually get 200 Swagbucks in return. So simply put, if you were to go down and just keep playing the game, in this case Monopoly Go, keep progressing through the game, etc., you're going to earn Swagbucks over time. And what you can actually do at that point is, if I were to go back to the screen right here and go back to Swagbucks, which I will do right now, you go back to Swagbucks right here. If I were to go to more right here in the bottom right and then redeem Swagbucks right here, you can then turn your Swagbucks into gift cards. So if you wanted to get an Amazon gift card, for example, Walmart gift card, you can do this, and that is simply by playing a game. So once again, go back to the games tab, press on get started, select the game, and then just progress that way to earn money, to earn Swagbucks here on Swagbucks. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can make money playing games on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.